this plastic shield. I have 2 mounting plastic pins. They're a little plastic Phillips screw. Just lift that right up. So you have 3 mounting bolts, 1 on this side, 2 on that side. They're all a 10mm wrench or a socket. I'm going to break them free. Now you can, if you want to, prior for moving, is take a marker and mark or a crayon where that actually is lined up. So you're going to want to line it up again. Perfect. Because that is adjustable. Last one. Okay. Now if you look down here, there's a connector. So this connector is the tab. So we're going to just pull that tab and pull, disconnect that. And it is in like that. Now we just have to get this cable off, which isn't really that hard. So you get 2 tabs on that plastic sleeve. So I'm going to pop this out around there, like that. And you can get a pair of needle nose. Let's flip it around so you can see it better. Now with a pair of needle nose, I'm just going to grab on those plastic tabs. We're going to reuse this hood cable, so it's important that you don't break those tabs. See if we can squeeze that right through. There we go. Now I'm going to move this tab because the new one comes with one. So squeeze the plastic in the back of it. Pull it forward, get that tab out of there. So you're going to hook this end into this hook right there. So if you can lean that forward maybe, rest your finger in there. Put the cable through, and then find that little insert right there. Pop it through. Here, click. Let's run that harness down. I'm going to put it right through that mounting hole. And then I'm going to take my connector, reconnect it. Until it clicks. There we go. Now I can take one of my mounting bolts, mount it on this side. And get the other 2, mount them on this side. As you can see, they're slotted, so they're adjustable, and that's why I marked it, so I shouldn't have to adjust it after. Okay, I'm going to get this last bolt in down here. There it is. So now I'm going to start tightening these. I'm going to tighten one side. I'm going to line that right up where it was, like that. I'm just going to make it snug so it can drag a little bit. Let's see. I'll get this side. All right, now before I really tighten this up, I'm going to double check my alignment on it. So I feel like I get it just about where I need to. If not, I can just push it down a little bit and make adjustments. We're going to tighten it up and try it out before you put the plastic cowl back on. Get my big wrench and really snug it up. Because once this hood goes down, it could move this if these bolts are not tight. All right, so now I'm going to shut the hood and try it out and make sure it lines up perfectly. That's perfect. See how the hood popped up? Gave you access to that. It's lined up just right. Let's put the cowl on and be all done. So I'm going to bring that down like that. Push the push pin in. Centerpiece. And the same on this side.